Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer money from PayPal to Etoro in 2025. Whether you're a beginner investor or a seasoned trader, getting funds into Etoro quickly can make all the difference for your portfolio. Etoro is a popular platform for trading stocks, crypto, and more, but linking it with PayPal isn't always straightforward. Don't worry, I'll walk you through the steps in a simple, step-by-step way. First things first, make sure both your PayPal and Etoro accounts are set up and verified. This is crucial to avoid any delays or issues. Start by logging into your PayPal account. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallet section and select Transfer Funds. Here, you'll want to withdraw money to your linked bank account. Remember, PayPal might take a few business days to process this, so plan ahead. Next, hop over to your Etoro account. Log in and go to the Deposit Funds page. Etoro supports various methods, but for this, we'll use a bank transfer since PayPal funds are now in your bank. Select Bank Transfer as your deposit method and enter the amount you want to add. You'll need to provide your bank details, double-check them for accuracy to prevent any errors. After that, confirm the transaction. Etoro might ask for additional verification, like a two-factor authentication code, so have that ready. Once submitted, keep an eye on your Etoro dashboard for the funds to appear. In 2025, Etoro has streamlined this process, but fees could still apply, so check their latest policy. A quick tip: always monitor exchange rates if you're dealing with different currencies, as this could affect your final amount. Also, ensure you're aware of any minimum deposit requirements on Etoro. There you have it. That's how you transfer money from PayPal to Etoro in 2025. It's easier than you think once you break it down. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Let's keep building that financial knowledge together. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.